Ladies and gentlemen, today, I want to talk to you about one of the most important traits that you need to succeed in life: focus. Focus is the key that unlocks the door to success. It's what separates the winners from the losers, the successful from the unsuccessful. But what is focus? Focus is the ability to concentrate your attention on one task or goal without being distracted by anything else. It's the ability to tune out the noise and stay committed to your path, even when things get tough. Now, I'm sure we've all had moments in our lives when we've struggled to stay focused. Maybe you found yourself scrolling through social media when you should be working on a project. Maybe you've lost track of time because you were distracted by something that wasn't important. Or maybe you've given up on a goal because it seemed too difficult. But here's the thing: if you want to achieve anything great in life, you need to stay focused. You need to be able to tune out the noise and stay committed to your path, even when things get tough. So, how do you stay focused? The first step is to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve. You need to know where you're going and why you're going there. Having a clear sense of purpose can help you stay motivated and stay on track, even when things get tough. The second step is to set clear, achievable goals. You need to break down your larger goals into smaller, more manageable ones that you can work towards every day. This not only helps you stay focused, but it also gives you a sense of progress and accomplishment as you achieve each step along the way. The third step is to eliminate distractions as much as possible. You can't control everything, but you can control some things. You can turn off your phone, close your email, and create a quiet, distraction-free environment where you can focus on your work. The fourth step is to surround yourself with people who support your goals and vision. You need people who believe in you and who will encourage you when you're feeling discouraged. You also need people who will hold you accountable and keep you on track when you start to stray. And finally, you need to remember that staying focused is a choice. It's not always easy, but it's always possible. You can choose to stay focused, even when it's hard. You can choose to keep your eyes fixed on the prize, even when the journey seems long and difficult. So, my friends, I urge you to stay focused. Keep your eyes fixed on the prize. Remember why you started, and keep pushing forward. With focus, determination, and a clear sense of purpose, there's nothing you can't achieve. In the words of the great boxer Muhammad Ali, I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. So, suffer now, stay focused, and live the rest of your life as a champion. Thank you.